Hey guys, it's around 10:30. So my daughter started crying, and I don't know what it is. We can hear the lion roaring. So I'm really scared right now because they're just in and around our tent, and I don't know if I feel safe enough to go outside now because now that they know there's a baby here, I don't know how their reaction would be. So she was crying for about 15 minutes, and all of a sudden I hear huge roars, like huge. For almost like straight 1 minute, he went on roaring. So he's still roaring. Oh my god, he's right beside our tent. Cheetah, cheetah. Hey guys, so this is day 3 or 4. At this point, I've just lost track of what is happening. So today we're going for a early game drive. So it's around like 6 o'clock, exactly 6 o'clock. So we leave now. We'll have a quick breakfast. Kiki finished her breakfast, so we will leave right now, and I'll talk to you about what I saw yesterday in Serengeti last night. So stay tuned, and let's go for breakfast.
And a lion, leopard, they attack the cubs. Then she has used a lot of strength to take the prey by chasing it really in high speed. Before she's eating enough, we have hyena, they attack them. So that is the reason why they are in danger. Because 6 cubs, only 25% they're going to survive. Let's say 2 to 3. Then they're becoming low in number. They have inbreeding problem because they are low in number. Then this, genetically they're becoming weak. They don't live longer. Yeah, they cause them extinct. But when they have like 14 to 16 months is when they are full grown up. So their father kicked them out so that they will not interfere by mating. They form a bachelor head, and when they are old enough, they can fight the dominant male in a harem. Then they can take over. Yeah, the same as a lion. They have a similar.
But then this is too many females.
So during the breeding, he's mating with everyone there.
Okay.
And the all female, they're going to give birth in the same time. So there's a certain time. They have a lot of calves. Yeah.
Go in the name.
I know, again she's going. She's going again. Come on. Come on now. Near the door. So what is she waiting for?
Move maybe for hunting.
Oh wow.
So they usually like to go up in a car for like.
Yeah, Cheetah.
So this is the part where she locks in her target, and we are literally sitting here for hours together at this point. Unlike the lion, I think cheetahs are more like, they camouflage well, and grizzles are really fast runners. So she just does one, she just goes for one time, and then she just executes it with like perfection. So here you can see her moving literally close to the grizzle. I don't know if you guys can identify, but she's literally moving close to the grizzles there. And there is a mother and a baby, and she goes in for the mother. She watches there for literally 30 minutes, and and every time the grizzle puts the head down is when she moves forward. So this was one of the highlights of the trip. We got to watch her pray, and oh my gosh, this was nature really at raw. What will she do now?
And if I wire, then she will. Okay, you can prove you want to see the hunt. Okay?
Yeah.
The way each other run, I don't think lion can ever hunt a grizzle, right?
If you can be able to be really close to them, yeah, they can take
ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ
take a photo, take a photo, take a photo. You take a video, come here, give here, take this video. No, give here. Take this video, continue this video. Take the video, give here. Take this, continue the video.
The other is ran away.
So we end the day with two hunts, one by the lioness and the other by the cheetah. The lioness, like you guys saw, it was a failed attempt, and our tour guide told us that she's learning to pray, so that's why she was so floppy. So watch the beautiful sunset as we unwind for the day, and tomorrow is another day at Serengeti, and we are trying to find the leopard. So they're very rare in Serengeti, so that's on our itinerary. And watch the hippos. And here we are heading towards the dinner. We always are escorted by a tribe person because they know how to encounter the wildlife. So see you all tomorrow for the next day in Serengeti.